Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is E. James, and this is Z32 Workshop. And today's episode is not on either of these two cars, these lovely beauties, the Stealth or the 300ZX. It's actually on my 92 Dodge Dakota, which I am sorry, the lighting is terrible right now, but it is early in the morning. The sun is bright. As you can see, these headlights are pretty well fogged up. And then this guy over here, the driver's side is broken because, well, deer hit from a while ago that had to get fixed. So I decided to order up new headlights assemblies. Eagle Eyes CS067-B001R, same number, just with an L at the end. They're cheap, made stuff from Taiwan. You get them off Amazon. As you can see, the new ones are remarkably brighter and clearer. I'm trying to get it so at least at night I'm not driving blindly. These things are only mounted with, and by the way, these come with light bulbs on top of that, so it's even better. These are mounted with 3 10mm nuts, and then there are 2 adjusters. There are 3 here, but there's only 2 that are connected. That's what you use these guys here for adjustment. Getting them off is the only question I have. Getting these out. Other than that, you've only got the 3 bolts, or 3 nuts. You got one there, one further down here, and one back in here. And then obviously the disconnect of the light bulb, which is that. This is going to be hopefully pretty easily. And then you got to do, come on, you just pull. That's how you get those off. That's one. And then I'll get the other one here, where you at, right here. You just pull it off. Actually, this is turning out to be pretty slick. This should be a really short video. Let me see if I can get this set up for you guys. This is nothing super complicated. I just want to show people how to do it because I don't think that anyone's ever done it. Like I said, 10mm. That's the only thing I got going on is right in here, and I think this is going to be in the way. Hopefully you guys can see some of these. This isn't super difficult. Although this isn't like drastically easy. As you can see, These are pretty shot, and a little different. Definitely different locking collar system. Interesting. Let's see if I can put the new one back in. Boom, off time warp. This is going to be not a very good video for you guys. Hopefully it's helpful to you guys doing these. These are pretty easy to replace. I don't like how this moves a little bit, but I think it's just the way cheap the assembly is. This guy here, I had to throw a little JB weld on the new one because it was fine, it just wouldn't grip real well. So I just put a little JB weld up on this connector right here. on these sides. That way it could do it. Like, I wanted to replace this guy and make it work, but it didn't work out so hot. But now let's see if these lights work. Lights on. Headlights, I will have to get them set up in aim this evening, and you do those through these guys right here. These are the adjusters you have to put back on, and one does side to side, one does up to down, so it's not that hard to figure out which one's which, and you just sort of, I'm going to park it in front of the garage and just see which way turns where. So yeah, that's going to do it for this video, guys. I know it's short and this is kind of long, a lot of time lapse, and a whole lot going on, but this is relatively an easy project. Anyone with any basic tool should be able to do this. The only thing I would watch out for is mine. I had the new light bulb broke itself on the span, on the ends. I don't know if I did that or how it broke, but it is what it is. I didn't pay a whole lot of money, so I'm not overly concerned. Just a little depressed about it. Other than that, if you guys have any comments or questions, hit me up. Like and subscribe, all that fun jazz. See you guys in the next video. Bye.